Hey everyone, how's it going? Not Too Dead here. Got a package. We're gonna check it out, see what's in there. I'm excited. We're gonna use my handy dandy letter opener here, and go ahead and get in there. Alrighty. Doesn't work as well as I thought it would. It's kind of like a little saw, though. There we go. Haha. Alright, put that over there. Just gonna peek in real quick off screen. Alright, looks like we're good. Okay, so we got some goodies here. Alrighty. And then, here we go to the main event. Boom, 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 boom. And you're like, well, Not Too Dead, that's a box. And I'm like, well, yes, it is a box. But it's what's inside the box that matters. So it's just a regular old brown box. I mean, it doesn't look very fancy, right? I mean, you guys probably already know by now it's Handcuffs. I mean, come on. It's got this nice, beautiful wrap. And look at those. Those are like brand new. Oh, it's like a little pouch. Super cool. Beautiful condition. Look at that. We have none other than, let me shut the light off, see if that helps. Get the focus there. American Handcuff Company, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. And this company is no longer in business. It was taken over and merged into another company years ago. They have this distinctive square body. Pretty unique. They're a little cold. They've been sitting in the back room here. Leaving. Oh man, just very nice, crisp design to them. Nice machining. Slightly different style mechanism in there than what you see with conventional stuff. Very beautiful cuffs. And they switched it to, it used to be originally American Munition Company. And I believe during the 70s, they switched it to Handcuff Company. I have some other ones coming that have the other branding and the different ones. I wanted to try to get each style represented in each one and see the differences, but let's check them out. These, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, are also like their Speedmaster, and it was kind of ahead of the curve, ahead of their time, and it was one of the first alloy model, kind of lightweight cuffs. Very, very neat cuff. I'll be doing some more stuff and more information on it. I have a paper to read off and kind of stuff like that, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to bore you guys the first time with that. There's the double lock set. Can't close it. There's a double lock removed, like that. Oh wow, yeah, that's a very stiff mechanism in there. I tell you, that's going to make picking these kind of interesting. Wonder how the other side feels, if that's how these are. Very pleased with these. Super cool cuffs. Yeah. That's a super strong spring in there. I don't know if paper clips will be doing that one. Let's try one. Yeah, I don't know. A bobby pin should work because it's a lot stiffer. Oh, wow, there's a lot of tension on it. There we go. So you can do it with a bobby pin, but paperclip I will have to get a little more practice at, and we'll see. Might very well be able to. Looks like shimming is going to be quite difficult as well. Look how tight those tolerances are. So that will be interesting to see how well that turns out as well. We'll save some stuff for another video. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. There's my new old American handcuff, American Munition Company handcuffs. Cool piece of vintage American handcuff history right there. They originally started in the 30s and 40s. So the company was around for a while, really well made, well machined, nicely finished. I mean, that's a beautiful product. I'm very happy. Have a great one. As always, take care. Catch you guys on the next one.